Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to open blank document in Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we go to our search button, then write Publisher to find the Publisher software and click it. Wait some moment to open the software. Now we can see here open the software. Now we want to open blank document. You can choose the blank 8.5 into 11, otherwise blank 8.11, blank 11 into 8.5. You can choose more blank page size. Go to the more blank page size and choose any size. Here are many sizes like tabloid, legal, executive, letter, etc. Now I select it, then click create, then wait some moment to open this blank document. Now we can see we open a blank document, this Publisher, very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.